बेसिकली इंग्लिश टेंसेस की 3 टाइप्स हैं, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर। और हर एक टेंस में सब टाइप्स हैं, इंडेफिनेट, कॉन्टिन्यूअस, परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इंग्लिश टेंसेस सीखेंगे और मिलकर इंग्लिश टेंसेस का चार्ट बनाएंगे। टेंसेस के 3 टाइप्स होती हैं, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर। और हर एक टेंस में सब टाइप्स होती हैं, इंडेफिनेट, कॉन्टिन्यूअस, परफेक्ट एंड परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। आए वन बाय वन सीखते हैं। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, डू और डज, यूज प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म of verb. Use past indefinite, second form of verb plus did, use with first form of verb. Future indefinite, first form of verb plus will and shall use. Present continuous, first form of verb plus ing and are, am is used. Past continuous, first form of verb plus ing was, were used. Future continuous, first form of verb plus ing shall be and will be used. Present perfect, third form of verb plus has, have used. Past perfect, third form of verb plus had used. Future perfect, third form of verb plus shall have will have यूज। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं और मुझे नहीं जानते, मैं हूं मोहम्मद आदम और आप देख रहे हैं आदम ऑनलाइन स्कूल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है टेंसेस। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस। फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ing have been, has been used. Time must be given in this tense. For time, since, and for use. Past perfect continuous. First form of verb plus ing had been used. Time must be given for time, since, and for use. Use. Future perfect continuous. First form of verb plus ing will have been and shall have been used. Time must be given for time, since, and for use. अब मैं इंग्लिश टेंसेस दोहराता हूँ ताकि समझने में आसानी हो। बेसिकली इंग्लिश टेंसेस की 3 टाइप्स हैं, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर, और हर एक टेंस में सब टाइप्स हैं, इंडेफिनेट, कॉन्टिन्यूअस, परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, डू और डज यूज प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज। पास्ट इंडेफिनेट, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब plus did use with first form of verb. Future indefinite, first form of verb plus will and shall use. Present continuous, first form of verb plus ing and rm is used. Past continuous, first form of verb plus ing was were used. Future continuous, first form of verb plus ing, shall be and will be used. Present perfect, third form of verb plus has have used. Past perfect, Third form of verb plus had used. Future perfect. Third form of verb plus shall have, will have used. Present perfect continuous. First form of verb plus ing, have been, has been used. Time must be given in this tense. For time, since and for use. Past perfect continuous. First form of verb plus ing, had been used. Time must be given for time, since and for use. Future perfect continuous. First form of verb plus ing, will have been and shall have been used. Time must be given for time, since and for use. For more learning videos, visit Adam Online School and never stop learning. Allah Hafiz.